Michael Jackson was born in a large working-class family. He had 3 sisters and 5 brothers. The family could only afford a small 2-bedroom house, so the 9 children had to share a single bedroom. Michael had a very difficult childhood. He and his siblings suffered both physically and emotionally because of his father. His dad would often force Michael and his siblings to practice music, and that caused a lot of mental pressure. They used to practice for hours, and his dad would sit and listen with a belt in his hand, ready to use it if they made any mistakes. And that's how the Jackson 5 was born, and their father became their manager. His father also used to bully Michael because of his nose. He called him Big Nose to insult him, and because of this, Michael became very self-conscious and began covering his nose with his hand to hide it. Michael Jackson was the youngest member of the Jackson 5. He was just 8 years old when his childhood was left behind. He was not playing outside with his friends because he had to spend his time touring, singing, and practicing music. He was the lead singer of the Jackson 5, and before he was even 10, they began topping the charts and became very successful and very popular. But Michael Jackson was destined to become a superstar, so he began his solo career. And thanks to his unique dance moves and incredible music videos, he became one of the most famous musicians ever. In 1983, Michael Jackson revolutionized the world with Thriller, one of the most amazing music videos that made him a global icon. And Thriller remains the best-selling album of all time. It made history. But the next year, while filming a Pepsi commercial, by accident his hair caught on fire. He suffered severe burns to his face and scalp. And because of his permanent hair loss, he had to wear hairpieces to cover the bald spots for the rest of his life. And we all know that his looks changed drastically over the years. One of the most noticeable changes was his skin tone. His doctor said that Michael Jackson had vitiligo, a skin condition where the color of your skin changes and loses pigment. And after his death, an autopsy confirmed that he did suffer from vitiligo. He was dealing with a lot of things throughout his life, from him having to work from a very early age, to his unstable family, the roughness of show business, the people who used him mostly for his money, and the stories that followed him throughout his final years. Michael Jackson grew up in the national spotlight. The price of this fame had a negative impact on him personally, and him not having the right people beside him and not having a proper guidance made it impossible for him to have a healthy balance in life. There is no doubt that Michael Jackson became the king of pop and one of the most recognized musicians of the 20th century. He revolutionized and dominated the field of music with his incredible talent. He was also a great humanitarian. Over the course of his life, he donated over $500 million to charity. He really made history. In a world filled with hate, we must still dare to hope. So, what's your story?